What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage.
And we got a surprise.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Rust-free California shell right here for Andrew. Rust-free South Carolina shell for me. What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage.
And we got a surprise.
Yeah, I just picked up a new clean shell, 2007 WRX shell. That's what my stuff's gonna be going in. And then Andrew also picked up a new clean California shell, except it has slight damage.
Well, we do have
And we do have new rear quarters for it.
this dog's like, hey.
That's the slight damage on this side. This side is super clean. Puppy. Whoa. What's up, guys? So, we're back. I'm going to show you some more footage of the new car. So the reason I decided to get a new shell is because while trying to get the rear subframe in here, the bolt holes were just completely rotted for the rear subframe. It was super rusty, and it was going to be a ton more work to finish this car. And then I was searching through Facebook Marketplace and found this shell that had about 36,000 miles. Original miles, and it's 100% rust-free Southern shell. So I decided, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and buy this shell, and we are going to put everything, all the STI interior and all that, into here. This is a 2007 WRX shell, but I'm going to put the 02 WRX harness into here. That way we can keep the AVCS, the JDM ECU, and all that. So first thing once I get all this wiring out, I'm going to paint the engine bay. Right now it's just got an RS engine cradle in here because he dropped his and sold it, and he had this one off of the other parts car that we bought, or the other shell that we bought, so he put it in here so he could at least make this one a roller. So, which is not a big deal. I have mine over there. I'm gonna get powder coated and everything, get that ready to get put into here. And the interior is just kind of pieced together with some basic Subaru seats and all that, but all that's coming out, and the STI interior is going to be going in. The only big issue I have that is not even that big of an issue is I'm not going to be able to use my STI rear seats. And that is what. So, I'm going to start stripping this shell here probably tomorrow, which I need to get the bike put back together and get this cleaned up, because currently the Evo is sitting outside of this door and I need to get it in the garage. I'm going to let it sit out there for the night, possibly try to clean it off tomorrow because it's supposed to be a little bit of a warmer day than what we've had the last few weeks. So tomorrow I'll clean it off and get that pushed back in here. But for now, I'm going to head inside and go to bed. So I will check in tomorrow.
The next day.
Okay guys, it's the next morning and the fun begins. We are going to start stripping the new shell, getting the harness out, and then we will be stripping the old shell, getting everything out, and putting it into the new shell. So right now I'm going to start getting the dash out of the new car, and we'll go from there. I'm going to bring this video to an end, and as you saw, I got the new shell, super clean, 36,000 miles, 2007 WRX. It's been pretty much a track car its entire life, and now it's going to just be a weekend warrior street car. Got a lot of work to do to it still, but as you saw, we got the dash and the entire wiring harness out, and starting tomorrow we will be ripping the dash and the harness out of the old car to get that ready for the new car. So that will be coming in the next video. So for now, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.